Namong papa, di unag toslob. Oh. Oh. Until there. It is Sunday. Hello guys, Vlogs Trigo here. Welcome back to the video, to the channel. This is vlog 27. Today we're going to, I forgot the name, Ulfa Bridge. Yeah, we're going to Ulfa Bridge, and the weather's not with us at the moment. As you can see, it's like cloudy and everything. The way you spell that is U-L-P-H-A. Yeah, it is. Yeah, U-L-P-H-A, Ulfa. So it's quite an old bridge, like, you know, again, back in the olden days, like probably 1800s, I assume. So that's where we're going, and that's what I'm gonna show you in this video. And all of my family members are going as well, just like the same as usual. So without further ado, let's go. Okay guys, we're just gonna do the usual thing every time we go on a trip. We're gonna let everyone say hi. There's Henry here and Raven, and there's my parents at the front. Hello.
Hi.
And the usual people at the back.
Hi. Bruno, say hi.
Bruno, hey.
Hey.
There.
Yeah, say hi.
So yeah, it's gonna be a routine now. Every time we go on a trip, we're gonna do that. So here we go guys. I don't know how long would it take. Less than an hour. So dili ra kaabot og usa ka oras aga mong biyahe. So let's go.
Are we on our way to that river? We just want to see.
Okay guys, we're just checking out. We're at the Duddon River now. The bridge is over there. The one I said that it's like Ulfa Bridge or whatever you call it. There's the bridge. There's the river right over there. Mountains here. British weather guys. British weather. It's sprinkling. Dili ko siya kusog nga uwan. Tarigsik ra. Pa na yung mag-barbecue dili na yung mga kuan patches sa sahog. Oh. Na si Alex, si Raven, si Papa. It is, I think it's deep because people jump off from there to there. Oh yeah, there's a shoe. Lagay mo mga baka na kay Lauman. Bugnaw? Bugnaw na. May sapatos na kalimtan or nursery pang bata ng sapatos ha. May ilam niya guys. I'm not sure. I might have to research when was this made. Oh. Parang taytayan diri. Nagdaming pagkaon guys, but the weather doesn't look nice. We checked the forecast and
Oh, kusog kayong tubig ito.
adlawan ko no. Adlawan ko no, nagauwan. Barbecue niya. Na may kaliguan. It's quite a nice place to swim because it's a running water. So it's not just staying still like in the lake. Well, the lake still moves. It's just this one is constantly moving. We're going back to the car and plan what to do next. Okay guys, yeah, we came from the bridge. We just drove from there going to where we are right now, and it took us like 5 or 8 minutes trip. Tignan nyo yung ano, yung mountain. Hindi siya masyadong malamig ah. Hello! May mga kambing doon tumitingin. Oop. There we go. Nagpipicture na sila.
We go there. I wanna sit under the waterfall and let it fall.
Wait, where's the waterfall?
And it's not waterfall, it's a bit of water.
Just a bit of a waterfall. We were planning to have a picnic over here guys, but as you can see, the weather's not with us.
You didn't agree with that?
Yeah. And they were saying, sinabi nila sa forecast na maganda daw yung araw, mainit daw. Nanginginig na ako. Sinabi ko kanina na hindi siya malamig, pero masyadong malamig dito malapit sa river. Okay guys, nakakita kami ng spot dito sa riverside. So we brought everything here. Our dad planning to take the plunge.
No. Dad!
Tamong papa, di unag toslob. Pa, unsa man pa bugnaw?
Is it cold?
Tindog daw pa. Try standing. Dili mabaw. Hadlukan.
Round 1, fight.
Dadaanin mo yung!
Dijulan ano?
Round 2, fight.
Ano eh? Oh, it's swimming! Yay! It's swimming! How's the front now? It's like refuge. Oh no! Oh no!
Final round, fight.
Mapil! Ala! Oh no!
Stop it. Get some help.
Oh! Ano? Diyan, birahan dyan. Uy, birahas bro, no. Bro, ah, so cute. Ah. He's struggling to swim. Uy, ano? He's struggling. Murang batang gaman. Okay guys, kakain na kami. Nandito yung mga pagkain, oh. May corn kami dito. Again with the sandwiches. But this time we have a wrap. So we have chicken there as well, some more sandwiches, fruits, some soft drinks, some Pringles. Kain tayo guys.
I'm trying to get over to where the waterfall is, but the current is so strong.
Okay guys, hopefully you enjoyed the view when Raven brought the camera with her in the, well, she was swimming in the river. Just to tell you guys, we brought our own bin bag here, garbage bag. It's just to, you know, let's not make a mess, especially in nature reserves, because it's really bad. We need to help the environment. So I'm just trying to spread the word. I mean, it's very obvious nowadays. We really have to work together just to keep our environment clean. So please don't leave any litter around or rubbish. Just look at this. It has to stay pristine, this type of place. Yeah, that's another way of preserving it. Ayaw lang yun pag bili ng basura. Mawali na, we're going home. Okay guys, I'm gonna end the video there. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. So we're gonna say goodbye to Ulfa River, which is down there, Duddon River. And yeah, see you in the next one. Bye. Joke. I joked around guys. We were not gonna end the video. Probably here, we're gonna end the video here. We just, before we go home back to our house, we just stopped by here because it was on the way. Sunscale House? How do you spell it? how do you pronounce it?
Where?
What's the name of the place?
Sunscale Hall.
Beautiful pathway. It's made of wood. I bet it's sandy because I could see sand. Frog sign. Is that where you want to go? Like, look.
We had to. There's like a mini pond thing where you can see the frogs and the toads, leeches, like different kinds of species of frogs that's like, or like that's, you know, native here, and that it's not
Anhira
really
daw
found
makitaan.
anywhere else.
Yeah, anhira daw makitaan. Aning dapita na aning among ganian. Oh, it's sun now. Look at that.
That's really something. That wouldn't
I could still see a bit of the path. Oh, until there. It is sandy. So we came from there guys, earlier, the I already forgot the name of the place. Ulfa, yeah, there we go. Duddon area. It was right over there, those mountains. And we traveled from there towards here and there. So it was like an hour trip. Oh, this is where Lucian went.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh, look, it looks nice there. Okay guys, I'll seriously finish the video there now. If you enjoy the content, please give the video a like, and if you're new here and you also like the content, please do consider subscribing to the channel to get more, and see you later. Bye.